Kit Custer here with the Easy Sales team. This is not one of my normal listings. Investors, pay attention. First, let's talk about the pretty. This house sits on almost an acre. It's also a 4-bedroom Cape Cod. It's pretty turnkey on the first floor. Now let's go to the basement. Now let's talk about the ugly. This basement, yes, it needs waterproofed, but I actually have a quote for under $10,000 to get it completely waterproofed. The hot water tank is from 2018. The electrical has all been updated. There's a full bathroom down here, as well as a walkout. So if you renovate this basement and finish it, you just doubled your square footage, which will give you well over 250,000 ARV. All right, I'm just gonna shut this to the garage because you're gonna end up tearing it down anyways. A lot of my investment properties, I actually end up building carports because a lot of times the tenants don't care. What they do care about is location. This property is right across the street from Tri-C. It would make an excellent investment rental for a student or a professor, or live up top and rent out the bottom and check out almost an acre in the backyard. So if you're looking for your next investment property to add to your portfolio, I'm Kit Custer and I specialize in investors. Contact me today. I also have the crew that can renovate this for you.